Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2022 Infiniti QX80 Sensory. In this highway POV test drive we are going to test the assist systems that this QX80 offers in its top spectrum like we have it here, and I can already tell you that's not a lot. So we're literally just going to test like the lane keep assist and kind of how it beeps at us, and then we're going to test the adaptive cruise control. And other than that, we're just going to go for a little relaxed short drive here on the highway and see, well, technically parkway as you can see, but same thing. And we're just going to see how well this $92,000 luxury SUV rides. Anyhow, before we get started though, if you want to hear all my thoughts about this 2022 Infiniti QX80, make sure to click in the top right hand corner for my full review where we talk about the exterior, the interior, where you of course drive it plenty and compare it to the competition, because in these POV test drives this is more meant for you to see and hear how it is to drive, and I don't give too much of an opinion, so check that out at the end of the video. That being said, let's merge on the highway. We do have that V8 growl, which is really nice, and as soon as we are in position I'm going to be a little less talkative. I'm just gonna comment on whatever assists we are enabling in that moment. I was a little sluggish on the transmission there. I was kind of had to work to get that downshift. But anyhow, we have all the assist systems enabled, so it should beep at us as soon as we start leaving the lane. Let's see. Of course, it doesn't work when I'm indicating, but we just gotta get by this truck, and then we can do that. Let's see. So we are in the lane. I'll just drift to the right. And there we go, the beep. There's no intervention. Interestingly though, even though on the menu it says intervention, but there is no intervention. If I'm incorrect, there's a pop-up right now. But I'm probably not. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's a beep. So as soon as you leave, you can see not doing anything, no intervention, and a beep. Okay, well that's pretty straightforward, like I said. So let's keep on, let's turn on the traction control. We can try it one more time maybe here. When we don't have another lane to our right hand side, so just getting out of here, and it beeps at us. Okay, but we wanted to enable the adaptive cruise control. Pretty simple, we just press the button and now we set it up to the speed we want to cruise. Let's set up to a speed so we catch up to that car up ahead. Set it to the shortest distance, and we're already starting to slow down. Very smooth operation of the adaptive cruise control. Then we have the 2 downshifts, catch and back up. Mazda here also doing their lane keep assist tests apparently. Yep, it's doing a great job, kind of keeping the distance to the Lexus up ahead. Nice and smooth, no sudden braking, no sudden acceleration. That's what you like to see. Let's see what happens once we kind of get out of the, just gotta wait for the ram here. Okay, let's see what happens now. Are you gonna accelerate me? Yeah, it's doing it very smoothly. I'm just gonna override that because we had the F-150 behind us that I didn't mean to cut off this much. Pardon me, sorry sir. But yeah, those are the assist systems of the 2022 Infiniti QX80. Of course we do have like emergency braking alert and all that, but for obvious reason I cannot test that. But that's the highway assist drivings, and so I'm just going to be quiet for a minute or two, and you can just hear how it is to drive this QX80 on the highway. Okay, but that will conclude our highway POV test drive. Always nice, short and concise here for these, but we have 2 more POV test drives, one at night where we test the headlights and the high beams and the automatic high beams, kind of see how well this QX80 illuminates the road up ahead, and then we have one in the city where we go a little bit more in depth on the interior, but we also of course test how the QX80 performs in slower speed stop and go situations, which of course always important for smoothness of the drivetrain. Anyhow, like I said, all my thoughts are right now somewhere on your screen for the full review. I highly suggest checking that out, and if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because we upload videos pretty much every week about all sorts of cars, from luxury SUVs to budget cars to sports cars and everything you can imagine. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you next one. Thank you and goodbye.